Hello everyone, here's a quick tutorial on how to install Outlook on your iPad or iPhone. You're just going to go into the Apple Store and type in Outlook. You should see in there, make sure it says Microsoft Outlook. And if you don't have it installed already, you're going to click on this and it's going to download from there. Going to wait for it to download. It will also install as well. And then after that finishes, you just click on open and you can put in your email address credentials. Just say add account, type in your email. I'm just going to do a fake one here. Click add account. I don't know if this is going to come up with anything, but you get the idea. You just have to add it. If it does ask you, like here, most of the time you're going to select Office 365 on there. If you have an older system or if you're using Gmail, you're going to select Google. And that's pretty much it. It should look up all the credentials and everything for you.